Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will learn how to trim or clear the string in Uipath. For example, you have any string value and that value coming with any leading or trailing white space characters. Like if you have a like any string like any name and before the name coming the spaces, multiple spaces, that means it is the leading white space characters, and after the name coming the spaces, that is a trailing white space character. So how to remove that in UiPath we'll see in this video. So let's go to the UiPath studio and we'll see the program. So I'm opening here UiPath studio. You can see the screen. So here we are creating a program to remove the white space character. So here I'm using the first activities is input dialog box activity because we want to take the input at the runtime. So we are using input dialog box activity, providing here the info and here providing the please enter any string value. Okay. After that, we need to store that value in any variable. So here we are creating a variable control K and writing the variable name is input string. Input string. Okay. And after that, I'm using the assign activity for trim the string. So here I'm using assign activity. In this activity, I'm creating another variable control K out a string. Okay, and this string I'm assigning input a string dot trim. This is a function. So we are using trim function. Using this function, we have removed the both the white space character leading and trailing. Before the string, any special character is coming, white space character is coming, and after the string any character is coming, then we'll remove that using this function. So after removing, we are stored in the out string variable, and before that, uh, using removing that white space characters and print that value input value. So for that I'm using the write line activity. So in the write line activity I'm here providing the input string. Why you are writing? Because we will differentiate the both the result, if what is the input coming in the input and what is the outcome of output. So we'll differentiate after the running this program. So after trimming, again using the write line activity and write the outer string. Okay, and after that I'm using here not using any we can use message box, but not useful that is. So we'll run this program and see the result. So how can see the result? After the running, we'll see the logs because we are using the write line activity. So in the write line activity, we'll see in the output. So save that file and run this file. So here asking the input, so I'm providing here the white spaces, and after that I'm writing Raju and providing the white spaces. Okay, so process is completed. Now you can go to the output, and you can see here two right line activities using in the program. So first is this and second is this. So first is the input value. So input value, you can see here white space, this string coming with the white spaces, leading and trailing both. Okay, you can see here. And the after trimming, what is the result? You can see here. You can see the white spaces removed from the both side, before and after. So this is the output. I hope you understand, and we'll see the another activity, another function, that is a, so we see trim function only. So now we have changed trim dot trim a start function. Using this function, we can only remove the starting, like leading white space characters. So we'll see the output. Again, save this file and run this flow. Here I'm providing white space, yes, logi, and white space. Okay, and we'll see in the output. In the input, you can see both sided spaces are coming. After the trim, you can see in the leading white space characters is removed from here, and the trailing space is also showing here. So in the last, spaces are also coming. So you can use in the program according to your needs. If you are removing the before the string and after the string spaces, so according to that you can use this function. So we have another function is trim end. In trim end function, remove the and white space characters. So again save this file and run this. Rohit spaces. Okay, check the output. Both side white spaces are coming in the input, and the output will be one side a space is also coming, and the last trailing white space character is moved from in the output. So I hope you understand all three functions for trim the string. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide a solution. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.